Experiencing muscle pain can be a frustrating and uncomfortable challenge, whether it arises from intense workouts, daily activities, or simply aging. While it's often a normal part of life, there are many simple remedies available to help alleviate muscle pain and promote recovery. Let's explore some effective strategies to help you feel better. Understanding muscle pain before delving into remedies. It's important to understand what muscle pain is and what causes it. Muscle pain, or myalgia, can originate from various sources, including overuse, strain, or injury. Common types of muscle pain include soreness from exercise, tension due to stress, and chronic pain from conditions like fibromyalgia. Identifying the cause of your muscle pain is essential for choosing the best treatment. Rest and recovery. One of the most straightforward approaches to relieve muscle pain is allowing your body to rest. Here are some tips to consider. Take breaks. If you've been engaged in physical activity, give your muscles time to recover. Whether it's a short break during a workout or a day off, rest is crucial for healing. Sleep well. Quality sleep is essential for muscle recovery. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night to help your body repair and rejuvenate. Apply heat or cold. Using heat or cold therapy can be extremely effective in relieving muscle pain. Cold therapy, applying an ice pack to the affected area, can help reduce inflammation and numb sharp pain. Use it for 15-20 minutes every hour, as needed. Heat therapy, after the initial swelling has gone down. Applying heat can promote blood flow and soothe stiff muscles. Use a warm towel, heating pad, or take a warm bath for relaxation. Gentle stretching and exercise. Although it may seem counterintuitive, gentle stretching and light exercise can help alleviate muscle pain. Stretching, incorporate gentle stretches to improve flexibility and relieve tension. Focus on the specific muscle groups that are sore, holding each stretch for 15-30 seconds. Low-impact activities. Engage in low-impact exercises such as walking, swimming, or yoga. These activities can help keep your muscles active without causing additional strain. Stay hydrated and nourished. What you consume can impact muscle recovery and pain. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're active. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and reduce muscle soreness. Balanced diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, as well as lean proteins and healthy fats. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, can help reduce inflammation. Try natural remedies. Several natural remedies can provide relief from muscle pain. Epsom salt bath. Soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salt can help relax sore muscles. The magnesium in Epsom salt may aid in reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as lavender or peppermint, can have soothing effects. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil and massage it into the sore area for relief. Turmeric. This spice has anti-inflammatory properties. Consider incorporating turmeric into your meals, or taking it as a supplement after consulting with a healthcare professional. Conclusion. Muscle pain can be a common issue, but with these simple remedies, you can effectively manage and alleviate discomfort. By allowing your body to rest, using heat or cold therapy, engaging in gentle stretching, staying hydrated, and trying natural remedies, you can promote healing and get back to your daily activities. However, if your muscle pain persists or worsens, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. Remember, taking care of your body is key to maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle.